Hello, in this video we are going to use Breadboard to create our circuit. So I search Breadboard and select this breadboard, bring it here, I brought it here, and I select the power. This is the battery. Let me put it here. As I told you, you can press R. Okay. And this is positive, negative. If it's, you can switch it on here too. And I connect a wire from positive anode to positive here. The color of this is supposed to be red, and from negative to negative, color must be black. If you notice, if I hover, when I hover my mouse on here, see all of these gets highlighted green, or here. It means that under this breadboard, from here they are all connected. So it doesn't matter whether you bring your wire here, like here or here, they are all connected, and here all connected. And but on here you see that this is vertical connection. After that, bring your lamp, put somewhere, like for example here, and now this is positive, should connect to positive. And you need to have resistor as well. So it means that, see, look at here, it means that this LED connected to this resistor, and here it should go to positive, like here, this line. So get a wire and connect it to positive, like this. Change the color. And from negative, so you see they are all connected. It doesn't matter whether your wire is here or here. From negative, connect it here, and start simulating. See, it's work. Good luck, and we are going to practice making series and parallel circuit and in next lesson. Thank you.